2007 Dodge Nitro V6, biggest motor in the world. We got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. And what we put on it is a Black Widow, Angry Housewife, Race Venom 6-inch, part number BWAHW30-P. Then we took the regular muffler off also. You see how big that muffler is, it's right there. And still kept the resonator on it. He didn't want it too loud. He wanted a nice deep tone. There's the sticker, he's holding it up. Black Widow. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Dodge Nitro SLT. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let you guys hear it in a second. Dodge Nitro Black Widow. He was so excited about the sticker, he put it on already. Here it is. Black Widow. Much better. That's perfect. What do you think? You like it? He likes it. There's sound decibels. That sounds good. Go ahead and back it up. There's the muffler we cut off and replaced it with a Black Widow. Angry Housewife.
You gotta ask me if my engine broke in.
Haha. Dodge Nitro V6.
Uh-oh, don't worry about
Give it gas.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Drive up. Drive up, get on it, okay? Dodge Nitro! Widow, babe. What do you guys think? Let us know. I like it.